Can I customize my iPhone photos before printing them at Walmart?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss how you can customize your iPhone photos before getting them printed at Walmart.
Can you customize photos on your iPhone?
Yes, absolutely. The Photos app on your iPhone offers various editing tools you can use to enhance and customize your images before printing them. Let's see how you can do this. 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and choose the photo you want to edit. 2. Tap Edit in the upper right corner. 3. Now, you can use various editing tools available. You can adjust things like brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. 4. You can also add filters or crop your image to focus on the most important part. 5. When you're done editing, tap Done to save your changes. Your photo is now ready for printing.
How to print customized photos at Walmart.
Once you've edited your photos to your liking, the next step is to get them printed at Walmart. Here's how you can do this. 1. Download the Walmart app on your iPhone. 2. Inside the app, locate and tap on the Photo Center or Photo Prints option. 3. You'll be prompted to upload the photos you want to print. Select the customized photos from your iPhone gallery. 4. Choose the size and quantity of the prints you want. 5. Complete your order and choose to either pick up the prints in store or have them delivered to your home. Make sure to double-check your order before submitting it. Customizing your iPhone photos before printing them at Walmart is not only possible, but it's also quite simple. You can use the built-in features on your iPhone to edit your photos and then use the Walmart app to order prints of your customized images. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see what you create with your customized photos. Happy photo editing and printing!